Hello, my name is Bill Simmons with RCI Custom Products here at InfoComm 2019. I'd like to talk about our new product. It's called our MS series. It's a monitor shroud line that we've developed that can be fairly custom. We just ask the customer to send us the information on the monitor or TV that they might have. And what this does is it covers up all the wires in the back. It covers up anything that might be tampered with in an academia situation. It also blends nicely with millwork. It just puts a nice finished look, hides wires in the back, nice finished look to a monitor. We have these available in many colors. They can be custom colors to rooms and millwork. And we also offer them in multiple sizes. We have small, medium, and large versions, but just let us know the size of the TV or monitor, and we can price it out for you. You can reach us at www.rcicustom.com.